Hey guys, so I'm coming at you with a quick unboxing on this wonderful Christmas day. And yeah, so I thought I would unbox the RoboCop figure for you guys. So, yeah, I guess let's get to it. We gotta get a knife first. This will do. Probably didn't work. Oh, it's working. It's working. Hey guys, just wait a second. Okay, so I finally got out a package. There's a side view, and again, I really like how they make it look like the box is all damaged and beat up over the years, so yeah, it's pretty cool. RoboCop. Again, sorry about the glare. I could go like this, but then it looks like it's red. Okay, let's open it. Oh, that's so awesome. Look at that. Short range sensor. I can't even read that. Sorry guys, it's too early in the morning. So there's an inside view. You get the life bar, weapon, everything. It's so awesome. And yeah, the figure does look like the one from the video game. Yeah, I'm really happy I got this. This is awesome. And yeah, I thank my dad for getting this. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next time. Goodbye. And have a Merry Christmas again.